Have you ever found the perfect wallpaper for your PC, but hated how it completely clashes with your default Windows menus? Most people just settle for the basic light or dark modes, but today I'm going to show you how to turn any image into a fully synchronized, custom Windows 11 theme in under 2 minutes, completely built in, no third-party software required. First, you have to download your own wallpapers you like. Personally, I prefer these websites to download high-quality, full HD wallpapers. 1. Wallpaperswide.com and Art. Wallpaperscraft.com. Download and save all wallpapers in one folder. Right-click on Desktop. Go to Personalize. First, let's switch to dark color mode, which is more comfortable to your eyes. Click Colors and choose Color Mode. Select Dark. Now go to Background to select Wallpapers. Click Personalize your background and select Slideshow. And now, you can select the folder where you have saved all the wallpapers. And set the time interval you want your wallpaper to change automatically. Also, you can set the accent colors of menu and taskbar as shown here. Click Colors and set accordingly. If you want color of taskbar and menus to change according to wallpaper set accent color to automatic. Desktop icons for this PC and control panel are hidden here. You can enable them from here. And now, you can save your customized theme. And done! If you found this video helpful, please say like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you.